So as I mentioned in the intro, recently the Supreme Court granted review to another concealed carry restriction case called Wolford versus Lopes. This is huge for everyone in states like New York, New Jersey, California, Hawaii, and others, in all these states that currently put in place concealed carry bans after the Supreme Court issued their Bruin ruling. The Hawaii Wolford versus Lopes case sought emergency Supreme Court intervention, which surprisingly was granted review by the Supreme Court. This challenge revolves around a preliminary injunction and the Ninth Circuit finding that states and their catch-all public property bans are permissible under the Second Amendment. Recently, to the surprise of many, the Trump DOJ and AG Bondi actually stepped up in support of this challenge and pushed the Supreme Court to grant review to this two-way case. Well, that appears to have now paid off, and the Supreme Court granted review to this case, which again was surprising because it was an emergency review, it was interlocutory, and traditionally Supreme Court avoids all of these types of cases. And this grant by the Supreme Court is already impacting other concealed carry Bruin defines cases which are pending in other jurisdictions. The California carry ban case and that challenge has already been stayed in light of the Supreme Court taking review of this case.